Now we can create a centralized Axios instance, which will be able to manage our API URLs efficiently and avoid repeating the base URL. So here we can create an Axios instance with a predefined base URL. And this is how we can go about it. So within our application here, in the source folder here, I would like you to come here and create axios.js, and then we have that one like that. Now here we can have import, and then here we have import Axios from Axios like this, and then here we'll have const then instance, which is equals to, so this is something that we did in Vue.js, and this is very important, so it enables us to not to keep repeating our API endpoints. So here I'll have base URL like that, and then here I can just come and pass. So you can see where we have from this part here, we can come and have it there like that, and then here I'll have that one, and then here we close this one this way, and then we can have the export default instance like that, and then we close this one this way. So what will happen here is that we just enable this one not to be repeated all throughout our given application. So we can come here within our product list and update this, so we can remove that one like that. So you can see as we do that, we can also come here and also remove this one. So we're just going to remove this API like that, and then we just save this one like this. Okay, so we can just come here again and check, and you can see when we reload this one like this, it's having some issue here. So here the server is not finding this particular. Now since we have created this Axios within our source directory, let's have this one like this. So let's have this one like this. Now let's import it there, and you can see now it is able to discover those given products like that. All right, so that is what we have so far, and we can now continue to the next segment.